Well, I know the thing that I have a tendency to do is when I sort of get out of a period of high stress where nothing is going right, or I don't know if nothing's going right, but it's, it's very stressful and I feel like my life is just in shambles. I finally get out of that and I get into a very short period of time where I've finally gotten back to zero, or at least accomplished a few things and feel good about myself. My brain's immediate first thought is, well, let's add more.
Yeah, we can handle it now. Now that we're cleared out, we could probably handle it now.
Yeah, like I got out of the New Year or the Christmas season. We did that business trip. I got back. I had like a week here, and I'm like, you know what I should do? I should start a second channel.
Yeah,
it's like, you don't actually publish a video every single week. You just feel like you did because you maybe got one out.
Yeah, or like you intended to, and then you feel like if you do it twice, it means that it will work forever.
Yeah, exactly. So what I need to remind myself of is that pendulum concept. Like I'm always swinging back and forth in one direction or the other between like chaos and organization, or boredom and overwhelm. And just because I've like swung myself out of like overwhelm for a few minutes doesn't mean that like the pendulum's going to stay over here in total like bored, empty land forever.
Yeah.
Like there's something already coming up that's going to bring me back into the more hectic area. So I should probably think twice about taking on another commitment or adding something else.
I feel like to a degree we almost have to kind of take what we think we should be doing and on purpose like cut it in half.
Yeah.
And then it'll feel bad. You'll be like, I'm doing nothing. But just like you have to. Because what we feel like we should, there's a lot of should and supposed to, as opposed to just what can I do or what would I like to do. It's like if I don't do this, I can't view myself as successful. This is a part of my identity for some reason. Like when I quit my language blog, it was so hard to quit, even though I didn't really want to do it anymore. My hands were messed up, so it was hard to type, so I couldn't write very well. I wasn't practicing as much for the same reason. My whole life was in shambles because of my hands. You use them a lot. And then it felt so bad to quit still because I was like, but I have to do this. I'm supposed to do this.
Right. And that was like a guilt thing almost. So
Yeah,
it was like my identity is wrapped up in the fact that I've committed to this thing.